Welcome to this short Office 365 video looking at the right time to use Yammer, Teams and SharePoint to collaborate and communicate. If you need a little help getting to grips with any of these tools, please do check out the other videos in this series which will help you understand how to use each one. Circles and loops. Microsoft used the metaphor of circles or loops to categorize interactions and to help you choose which tool to use and when. Your outer loop is your organization as a whole, people who you perhaps don't work day to day with, but need and want to engage and inform with on a regular basis. Your inner loop is your immediate team or department, the people you work with daily and need to communicate and collaborate closely with on documents, in meetings, by phone or instant message. Let's take each tool in turn and look at why it fits where it does. Teams is your go-to tool for inner loop communication and collaboration. Teams is for groups of people united around a common goal, department or project, your immediate department or group, and the people who you work closely with. Teams allows easy communication with instant messaging, document sharing, and voice and video calling built in. It's a great place to share your files so everyone who needs them can edit and collaborate easily. Teams can be both structural and disposable. For example, you could create a team around a change project in your department to share everything to do with that project, and then remove the team when the project is finished. Part of the beauty of Teams is the ability to link in content from other sources across Office 365 and beyond, such as web pages, Twitter feeds that might be useful to your project or group, SharePoint sites, forms, and even video channels, making the team a genuine one-stop shop. Yammer is great for outer loop, big picture communication and collaboration on large cross-organisation groups. Much more akin to a social network, Yammer works best for large groups of people from diverse departments across your organisation, helping them work together. For example, a cross-university sustainability group may have representation from every department. Using Yammer, you can keep in touch, share progress, ideas, praise and documents with ease. SharePoint can be good for inner and outer loop communication if it's set up in the correct way. SharePoint has many functions and can work in many different ways. It sits in the middle of the circles diagram as more of an enabler. SharePoint tends to be more structural as a component and can be used to store large volumes of documents or files just like a shared drive, with level access to those people who need it, controlled by the site owner. It can also be used to run intranet pages to share information in a structured way. It tends to be a more formal way of storing and sharing information, and is often set up at a department level. SharePoint sites can easily be plugged into Teams to share documents and content too. In conclusion, for most of your daily sharing, communicating and collaborating, Teams is your perfect partner. For larger, diverse groups, Yammer works really well and can help communicate with more diverse groups and departments. SharePoint is best used to share large volumes of files and intranet sites more structurally. Thanks for watching this video. Please do check out the rest of the series and experiment with the fantastic tools we've discussed.